Whether you're embarking on an outdoor adventure or navigating the hustle and bustle of a crowded event, having the right camera bag is essential for safeguarding your valuable photographic gear. We've thoroughly tested and evaluated a wide range of options, subjecting them to real-world scenarios to bring you the best camera bags of the year. These bags offer the perfect blend of protection, convenience, and style, ensuring your photography equipment remains secure and accessible, no matter where your creative pursuits take you. There are many camera bags to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best camera bag from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Watered Rogue Ninal Sling Camera Bag. The Watered Rogue Ninal Sling is a versatile and compact camera bag that strikes the perfect balance between portability and spaciousness. Expertly designed for daily carry, this tactical sling bag can accommodate a camera, lens, and a 16-inch laptop, making it an ideal work bag for photographers on the move. Constructed from weather-resistant materials and equipped with a built-in weather-resistant zipper, your equipment stays dry and protected no matter the conditions. Customizable removable dividers allow for personalized storage and effortless organization of camera gear, accessories, and personal items. With quick side camera access and versatile carry options, including a top handle and a padded, adjustable sling strap, you can grab your gear on the go and carry it comfortably throughout the day. Number 2. Peak Design Everyday Sling 6L. The Peak Design Everyday Sling 6L boasts a quick adjusting padded shoulder strap that's reversible and allows one-handed quick pull adjustment for wearing as a sling or hip bag, offering versatility and convenience. It comes with 2 included flex fold dividers that provide brilliantly customizable and protective internal organization while maximizing the available space. 2 external carry straps allow for attaching large items or tripods to the outside using the cord hook system, expanding its carrying capabilities. The Ultra-Zip external zippers are built to withstand decades of use thanks to their abrasion-resistant thread. With a weatherproof, 100 recycled nylon canvas shell that's WWR impregnated, double poo coated, and Bluesign certified. This sling bag comes with a lifetime guarantee, ensuring durability and longevity. Crafted from 400 and double poly-coated, dye impregnated nylon canvas, 100 recycled post-consumer material, a high-visibility gray nylon interior, anodized aluminum and glass reinforced nylon hardware, and super durable ultra zips with accents in leather or Hypalon. Number 3. Amazon Basics Large DSLR Gadget Bag. The Amazon Basics Large DSLR Gadget Bag is a versatile and durable storage and carrying solution for your camera equipment, designed to accommodate a DSLR body and multiple lenses with ease. Constructed from thick, durable black material and a gray interior, this bag offers reliable protection for your gear. It features a dedicated slot for an iPad mini, Google Nexus 7, or Amazon Kindle Fire, allowing you to conveniently carry your tablet alongside your camera gear. With secure plastic clasps ensuring a reliable closure, you can rest assured your equipment is safely stowed. Designed with convenience in mind, the bag includes top carrying handles and an adjustable shoulder strap for comfortable transport. This Amazon Basics Large DSLR Gadget Bag strikes the perfect balance between ample storage capacity and portability, ensuring your camera gear is protected and easily accessible wherever your photography adventures take you. Number 4. Caden Camera Bag Case. The Caden Camera Bag Case offers ample capacity with dimensions sufficient to accommodate a camera body, multiple lenses, a tripod, an iPad in the front zipper pocket, and additional accessories in the side pockets for bottles, cleaning tools, etc. with the tripod fixable at the bottom and a coin bag in the inner bag. This multifunctional bag serves as both a professional camera bag and an outdoor travel bag, featuring a wide, comfortable, and decompressing shoulder. Strap designed for optimal fit, a thick, high-density P-foam inner bag for shockproofing and drop resistance, and adjustable capacity via holes on the buckle strap, constructed from waterproof, soft, comfortable, durable, and eco-friendly canvas fabric. It includes side zip pockets for kettles, umbrellas, power banks, or charger cables, and a front zip pocket for iPads, books, mobile phones, cards, and Number 5. Foso Waterproof Antishock Camera Bag. The Foso Waterproof Anti-Shock Camera Bag offers spacious internal and external dimensions, accommodating digital cameras, compact DSLRs, mirrorless compact digital cameras. It features a specially designed sealed zipper for anti-dust protection and an extra storage pocket for accessories. The adjustable shoulder carrying strap and zip protective overlap closure provide secure and comfortable transport, while the included extra rain cover offers great protection, though it is not an underwater case and should not be submerged or exposed to heavy downpours. Inside, a detachable divider allows you to adjust the interior space to fit your camera, lenses, and accessories perfectly. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.